morning, everybody. I'm Sona Gombar. Ishika Gombar is a part of this Zenith program. Thanks to Zenith first, and thanks to Gulin ma'am for creating such kind of platform wherein our children could speak with such courage and conviction. And from the past 2 days, when my daughter, when she came back from the session, I was asking her, how's you, how are you, how was the day? And the way she has portrayed the things, she said, I am Zenith. And I asked her, what's the meaning of this word Zenith? And the way she said that I'm at the top of the world. I think all of us parents, we think that we wish this, that we want to see our children at the top of the world, which this Zenith has actually created. Our children, when they are talking about the power of relationship, the magic of 3 A's, the art of giving, such kind of words are so empowering, and the way they are saying it, it's mind-blowing. Believe me, it's actually going to give them faith.
मदर ऑफ प्राची भावा, आज मैं यहाँ हूँ ये प्राची के कहने पर। मुझे इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी नहीं आती, इसलिए मैं आपको हिंदी में सब कुछ कहूँगी। तो आज मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि प्राची इस स्टेज पर है। गुलीन मैम, थैंक यू कि आपने प्राची को ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया। जो बातें मैं इस एज में शायद जानती भी नहीं थी कि मेरे फादर मदर गॉड की जगह पर हैं, आज वो प्राची ने मुझे बता दी। जब मैं मदर बनी थी मुझे लगा था मेरे पेरेंट्स की मेरे लिए क्या वैल्यू है, और आज जब प्राची ने कही तो मुझे लगा कि सही में हमारे बच्चे इस स्कूल में और इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके क्या सीखे हैं, तो ये तो शायद मैं कभी भी नहीं समझ पाऊंगी। और थैंक यू प्राची, जो आज आपने मुझे यहाँ खड़े होके सब लोगों के सामने बोलने का मौका दिया। थैंक यू, आई लव यू।
Myself, Neeta, mother of Nikita Bhasin. First of all, I would really like to acknowledge and thanks Gurleen ma'am for giving our children this platform, so that they are so powerful. I was spellbound to see all the children coming here and acknowledging their parents, apologizing their, anybody in the family. I was really amazed to see that, and thanks for creating that power in our children. When I used to use that landmark language at home, so Nikita used to say, Mama, what are these words you're talking about? Now that they know about 3 A's, acknowledgement, appreciation, and apology. That's really wonderful. And ma'am, I would like to give you one example. The other day she acknowledged her grandfather, and everybody in the family was like, what is this, Nikita? Who gave you this courage and this power? Like, they were also
Neetu Duggal, mother of Shaurya. I really wanted to thank Gurleen. I wanted Shaurya to have big dreams, which I was trying my level best, but he could never feel that way. And yesterday when we were communicating and he was doing his worksheet, I was just quiet and he was doing it actually. So the last part was to whose shoe you want to step in. And he said, Mama, what does it mean? I said, what do you want to become? Like who? So he said, okay, he wants to become an entrepreneur. And he said that I want to become like Dhirubhai Ambani. I was really touched. Not like anybody else, but the best. I always wanted him to have that feeling that I have to go to the top and to dream about that. And yesterday I could feel that, he has got that. I really want to thank him.